Hey, yes, so yes, sir. Woo! Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Nenye's Diary. My name is Nenye. Um, I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nenye, Anambra State, Nigeria. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, you are highly welcome. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be reacting on a message someone left on my comment section. And yeah, before I continue, I want to first of all appreciate you all for all your love, all your kindness, all your messages, your comments you guys left on my last video. I want to thank you all, like all the congratulatory messages you guys left on behalf of Angel Stewart and White Wedding. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, you all, for showing your love, your kindness, your support on that particular video. I really appreciate you all. Yes, so my people, for people that have been wishing me well, I claim it in Jesus' name. Yeah, and I know that very soon you guys, people will gather for me as well. I know that that's very soon. People will come and celebrate me as well. So I'm claiming it, as in I'm claiming it openly. I'm claiming it openly. I can't wait for my own turn. I can't wait. Like, I can't wait to dance and rock my dress. No. Biko Iruka, thank you for that Angel's Fabrics. Like, you've been doing a wonderful job. Biko, you guys can check her out. Her name is Iruka Fabrics on Instagram. And the person that made her cake, Omo, Biko, SWEETTOOTH ENUGU. You can never have enough of her cake. Like, her cake is something else. You guys should please check her out as well on IG at SWEETTOOTH ENUGU. So coming back to what I was saying before, someone left a message which I find very disgusting. Like, I don't know how some people sit back at their house, pick up their phone and be sending rubbish. I don't know how some people do that, but I find that message very hateful, because this is like that video I uploaded, like Banter with Angel's wedding video, is something to be happy for. It's something like, it's a good thing of joy. It's something like everybody need. Like, I don't get it, but this particular one got to me. I'm not the type that react to messages, because people have been leaving hateful comments on my channel, but I don't react to it. But this particular one got to me, because this is a wedding. Like, this is a wedding, for crying out loud. It's something for someone to be happy about. I don't know this person. I don't know whether if you're using a catfish account or what, but that message left on my channel is not nice in any manner. That message left on my channel is not nice. The message goes like this. I don't know, you might mean well, but for this particular video I uploaded, what you sent is not needed, is not of help in any way. This is total body shaming. I don't understand people these days. I don't know how you see a video about let me say a wedding video, or maybe a Stewart or White wedding video someone uploaded. The only thing you could notice is the bride. You didn't even notice everything that was going on in that wedding. You didn't see the congratulations message. You didn't even say congratulations to the bride. You didn't even appreciate her wedding. You didn't even say something about my nails that I uploaded, about my hair, about my makeup, about my dress, or anything. You didn't even say anything about the bride's dress. That's her fabulous dress that she got from Iruka Fabrics. You didn't even say anything nice about it. You didn't even say anything about the handsome man on her. You didn't even say something nice. You didn't even see the decorations and the rest of the things they did there. Like, I don't understand. You didn't even say anything about the cooking. You didn't even say anything. Like, why are people like this? But the only thing you saw was for you to go and body shame the bride. I don't understand it. Are you jealous of her? How will you come to, like, how will you even think of typing that particular nonsense and send to my comment section? Guys, you should go to that comment section and just look at the body shaming that person left there. I don't know if it's a he or she, I don't know. But I don't know, even if it's a real account or a catfish account, I don't even know. But why will you say something like that? I'm even like, I don't know why. I don't even know why I deleted the rest of the video, like the comments people were dropping. I don't even know why I deleted it. But this particular one was very, very offensive that I couldn't hold back. I said I'm going to film this video for that particular person and for people to know what they drop on the comment section. Look at how the message goes. The person said, NJ, please, you lost too much weight. Remember, you have to take in, it's not good. Because how does taking in relate to losing weight? Is it any of your business? If NJ lost weight, is it any of your business? Is it not her wedding? So I haven't heard or seen a video, like I've watched so many movies, like all those American movies. Some people, when they get engaged, some people now be like, when is the date for the white wedding, for the this one, for the other one, so that I can start losing weight, I can take care of my skin and the rest. A lot of bride does that. Some people lose weight, some people take care of their skin for them to look good, for them to be glowing on their wedding day. Then how is it not affecting this person? I don't know how this thing is affecting you, that you have to come to the comment section to drop this kind of message. You didn't even say any congratulations. You didn't even appreciate the wedding. You didn't even say something nice about the wedding. You didn't even see anybody. You didn't even notice any of us, both them Nelo and all, like you didn't even notice anybody. The only thing you noticed was that NJ lost some weight. That is not good. Are you a doctor? Haven't you seen in a situation, maybe when you are sick, maybe when you are obese, or maybe you are suffering from PCOS or the rest of them, the doctor will tell you to go and lose some weight so that it will help you as a married woman to take in. Haven't you heard of that one? So if she lost weight, how is it paining you? Her touch. What is your problem, madam? I don't understand. If you anything up you got comment, you didn't even see anything to talk about. You didn't even notice our presence. You didn't even notice other YouTubers there. You didn't even notice her fine dress. Like, I don't understand people these days. Why are you body shaming her? Because let's just stop all this rubbish. Like, let's just stop it. If you don't want to comment, better watch the video and move on. Even if you don't want to watch the video, move on. Nobody will just tackle you for not watching, or nobody will just harass you for not leaving a comment on the comment section. Nobody's going to do that. But rather to come to this comment section to type nonsense, or start broke shaming, or start body shaming, or start saying something about people's family. Sometime January, somebody said something about me. I kept quiet because I don't really like responding to all those kind of petty messages. But this particular one, that I'm not happy that you left this kind of comment on this comment section. I even mistakenly deleted the rest. I didn't even know why, because I never wanted to do this. But how? Are you okay? Are you happy that you left that kind of comment in the comment section on someone's wedding, on some, like, I don't understand. How will you do something like that? Because I'm not here to come and start ranting or say something or maybe start cursing you. I'm not going to do that. But my dear auntie or madam, whoever you are, because stop it. If you don't know what to write on the comment section, because it's better you don't even comment. Just watch the video and move on someone's wedding. If you're a if you're on that should be a gas, if you're all those fine should be girls, if you're all those groomsmen and those if you're just some work dindo, dibunko, if you're a that you'll be admiring them, the only thing you saw was that she lost weight, that she doesn't need to lose weight, that she will soon take in. How is it your problem? Because I don't want any nonsense on my channel this time around. Because I'm begging you guys, if you don't know what to comment, please just watch and move on. You might see this video and you might be saying, why is she talking like this? Auntie, I'm angry the way you left that message on the comment section. I'm not happy with it. You might don't know what you were thinking before you just considered, or maybe you picked up your phone or your laptop, left that kind of nonsense comment on the comment section. Because this is not nice. This is someone's word. At least say common congratulations. Tell her that her dress is fine. Because I don't want to talk much. You people should learn how to mind your business. You people should learn what to say and what not to say. You people should learn what to write on the comment section and what not to write on the comment section. You'll be dragging people's family. You'll be prognosing up and down. You'll be prognosing up and down, snooping on every corner to know what is happening in people's family. What is your problem? Because you should just leave me and my family alone. You should just leave us alone. Stop it. I don't know, but this person that sent this thing, I've not had time to go through your, maybe if you're a YouTuber or if fellow YouTubers are like us or not. I've not really had time to go through your name or to go and search your name. But Biko, next time, don't leave that kind of comments in my comment section. It's not nice. If you don't want to be watching my videos, it's fine. It's fine. But Biko, stop it. It's totally unacceptable on my channel. It's totally unacceptable. Biko, next time, it's not that she talks too much or anything, or it's that I'm feeling one kind of big. No. It's not about feeling big. It's not about saying let her out because of that people are ranting. No. But this thing is happening directly to me. It's my family that you are body shaming. It's someone that is close to me that you are body shaming. Learn how to leave people's family out of the way. You guys should learn how to do that. Leave people's family. Someone that said something about me, I don't have time to respond to that kind of messy or shitty messages. I don't have time for that kind of rubbish. Someone did something about my name, but it's fine. It's fine. But this particular one, the reason why I filmed this video is because this is a wedding video. This is something to be joyful for. This is a thing of joy. Wedding is a good thing. When it happens to someone, the person will feel like we're feeling so fly. Allow her to enjoy her day. Allow her to feel what she's feeling. Allow her to be herself. Stop body shaming. Stop body shaming. Assuming that she put on so much weight, you people will come again back to this channel to say, is it not her wedding? Why can't she lose weight for her wedding? Why can't she do this one for her wedding? Why can't she do the other one for her wedding? Is it not her wedding? But now, she's in a perfect shape. She's not big, she's not fat, and she's not skinny. She's in between. Her stature, her shape is perfectly okay the way she is that day. So why are you body shaming her? Because let's learn to mind our own business on this YouTube. Let's know when to say and when not to say. Let us know, just be aware of some certain things. You don't need to come and write on the comment section. Please don't come to my channel to come and type something of this nature or drop this kind of nonsense body shaming message on my channel. Because do not try it. You didn't see my fine nails to admire. You didn't even see my uncles and the rest of my family members. You didn't see all those things. The only thing you noticed was that she lost so much weight. Bro, body shaming is a no-no. Because do not try it on my channel, or do not even attempt telling it to people, especially the bride. See, you can body shame maybe an ashebi person. You can body shame maybe a guest that came for the wedding, but not the bride. Not the bride, because it's a total no-no, not the bride. How would you feel? Okay, how will you feel the person that sent this and dropped this comment on the comment section that on your own wedding day, someone came to your wedding and said, you look so fat? Or maybe someone come to the comment section and type, you look so fat. If you are reading it, how will you feel? That's exactly what you did to her. If she goes to my channel and see that comment you dropped there, how will she feel? But anyways, thank God the wedding is gone. She has been celebrated and she got the fairy tale wedding, like the epic traditional wedding she has been waiting for. She got her dream wedding. That is the most important thing. If you like, say that her dress is this one, that she's not out of shape, that she's in shape, or anything you want to say. The most important thing is that she has been celebrated, that she got the perfect wedding of her dreams. She got her dream wedding. That is all that matters at this point in time. Oh, hi. I'm tired though. And so guys, I think I've come to the end of this video, and if you really enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell to get my notification anytime my videos goes live. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.